Hi everyone. I regret to inform you that we are all screwed. Just kidding, but now that I have your attention, this is a public service announcement. If just in case our sun does screw us over and sends out a coronal mass ejection, like every other planet, the sun rotates on an imaginary axis. Unlike every other planet, the sun rotates at different rates because it's a giant ball of gas. This process is known as differential rotation. This is what causes things like solar flare and coronal mass ejection. Solar flares are much more common. A solar flare is an energetic emission that comes from sunspots, which are cooler areas on the sun created by the magnetic field. Solar flares happen all the time, but not on a massive scale. What we are dealing with is a coronal mass ejection. A coronal mass ejection is a massive explosion that pushes out a lot of gas from the sun. It exits the sun's surface as a cloud of plasma during long-term solar flares. These can sometimes cause aurorae, which is a glowing light that shows up around the North Pole and the South Pole. While aurorae don't cause any damage to the Earth, a massive coronal mass ejection could cause much more harmful side effects. With a coronal mass ejection big enough to cause damage to Earth, technology will suffer the most. GPS and communications could go down for an indefinite amount of time. Power outages would be widespread. With all of these factors, things like water and food distribution, heating and air conditioning, and sewage disposal will affect and be much more slower than normal. Destruction on a massive scale like this could take 4 to 10 years to recover. The time to preparation is now. If you have a basement, hiding there for the duration of the coronal mass ejection would be the safest thing. If not, the first floor would be fine. But stay away from windows. Solar winds have a chance of breaking those. Have objects like candles, first aid kits, and other things that do not require technology nearby. When technology does kick the bucket, you wouldn't want to be stumbling around in the dark. Stick to groups. If you live with your family, stay with them. If you live alone, find a friend who you can stay with. Sticking together will help chances of survival.